guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my chicken coop over there. And there's Britt. Who's a good boy? Britt, sit. 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 Good boy. So let's get started. So this is the chicken. So first we have the chicken. We got its food right here. I kind of was trying to get in there, but I just put water in there instead. So there's the water and the cage, of course. This is how you open the cage. And there's its little seating area. Its bark. It's a little hiding place if it rains. And plus, when it rains, I will put like 4 or 5 towels over on that and move the water. And then over here we have its food, and then we have Britt looking at the food. So this is the food, you guys. It's heavy food. So this is the food. What are you doing here, buddy? So here it is. Move. And then there's the chicken staring right at me. He's so pretty, right? And if it rains over on this bucket, oops, sorry guys. If it rains over on this bucket, then just put a towel over it. Smarter. And yeah, see you when we get to Bella. So I came to Bella. Bella, come here. Be in my video. Go get your butt. I'm gonna get your butt. And I hope you guys liked this video. Bye! Shoutouts are Ariana. And I'm only having 2 people. Ariana and Andres. And I hope you guys liked this. Bye!